Hey guys, what's going on? Pete with Auto Repair Tips. Well, it's Quick Tip Tuesday, so I'm bringing you a quick tip. Actually, today's Monday, but this job came in and I thought it'd be cool to show you this. Check it out. The customer brought me a 2003, it's a Ford F-150, and recently he's been having a problem with it overheating. The water's been blowing out through the fill jug. He said he thought he had a blown head gasket, so he pulled the dipstick and he checked it, and he didn't see any oil in the water, so he kept driving it. And it still kept overheating, and he brought it to me to look at. So I told him, I said, that is not the only signs of a blown head gasket. Your head gasket can be blown on the exhaust side, and that will cause this. And I told him about this little tool. It's a neat little tool. Basically what it does is it checks for exhaust fumes in your fill jug. And what you need to do is, this was full of water when he brought it to me. I sucked it down a little bit and let a truck run for about 30, 40 minutes, get good and hot. And if you look, each tube has a line, and you fill it up to that line. With the engine good and hot and running, it sucks any air that's in this jug up through here. If you have exhaust fumes, it passes through here and changes its color. Let me show you what color it's supposed to be. I happen to have two of these tests to go by, just so I can show people. The one on the right is what the color of the fluid should be, and see how the one on the left, it's a little discolored, it's greenish in color. And what that means is, he has a blown head gasket on the exhaust side. That's why he's losing water out through the fill jug. So guys, if you got a blown head gasket on the exhaust side, that's what it's gonna look like in that tool. It's a real cool tool to have around, especially if you're a do-it-yourselfer at home and you like to work on cars. It's a great tool to have. All right guys, that's it for this quick tip. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.